Welcome to iCraftStories. Personalized social stories in just a few clicks. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through all the essential tools so you can create, customize, and share stories with confidence. Let's begin. New Story opens the guided story generator, where you can choose your subject and style. Once submitted, your story will generate in about 1 to 2 minutes. After creation, you can preview the story or begin editing immediately. For full creative control, click Create manually. Enter your title, add tags, include coaching notes if needed, and upload your own images or generate a cover illustration. To adjust or improve an illustration, click the yellow Regenerate AI Image button. A pop-up window titled Regenerate Illustration will appear, allowing you to describe the exact changes you want to make, such as removing extra limbs, correcting proportions, refining facial expressions, or changing the background to match your story environment. Enter your instructions in the box provided, then click Regenerate to create a revised version of the same illustration. Each image allows up to 3 regenerations, shown at the top of the pop-up, helping you make careful, precise refinements. In the Canvas editor, you visually design each page, add text, search images, upload your own visuals, or generate fresh AI illustrations. You can move, resize, and rotate any element. Change background colors, mirror images for improved layout, and delete anything you don't need. And remember, you must save the page image to proceed to the next page. Click Preview to see how your story appears to readers. Toggle coaching notes. Switch between layout styles. Activate voice narration, and export your story as a PDF. The top navigation bar helps you move around your workspace. Community shows shared stories from other creators. The library displays your personal story collection. Manage opens your account and team settings. New Story starts a new project. Credits and subscription indicators show your plan status. In your library, you can search, filter, and organize your stories. Story cards show the title, cover, page count, and tags. Use quick action buttons to delete, duplicate, share, preview, or edit. The Community Library lets you explore shared stories from educators, parents, and therapists. Search by tags, browse categories, preview stories, and duplicate the ones you'd like to customize. The Share button also lets you send any story directly to Google Classroom, email, or social media outlets. Your profile page shows account details, membership status, activity logs, and billing information. Users on business and team plans can create shared workspaces, collaborate with colleagues, and access shared libraries. You're now ready to bring your stories to life. Explore, experiment, and enjoy creating with iCraftStories, where every story helps a child grow.